struggle when it came to my life, he showed me I'm a king in Mungiki. And I was powerful. And he gave me everything. Little did I know. Had I known this, I would be very far. Had I known this is not the work of God. The work of God is somewhere else. There are people like you waiting for me. I come and speak to them this word I'm speaking. Had I known those days, where will I be? I will be very far. You are struggling with something that you don't need to struggle with. You are fighting losing battles because they are not even existing. They are only meant to make sure that you don't move from the position you are to another position. Therefore, they are only meant to make sure that you don't recognize that you are a blessed person. They are making you to know that, not to stop you from knowing that you are a favored person. You are all favored people. You are all powerful people. You are all blessed people. You are all given everything that you need in this world. You got it. All of you are rich people. Oh, you are multi-millionaires. You are not billionaires. You are not beggars. But look now, you are begging not knowing that you are a child of a king. Hallelujah. I am a child of the king. And if I'm a child of king, the king of kings, then it means I have to dine in the table of the king. I have to live kingly life. I have to walk a kingly walk. I have to be like a king. Because I'm a daughter, I'm a son of a king. Why then am I suffering? Why then I cannot afford a meal in the evening? Why then I'm not affording rent? Why then am I not affording the life? Why am I suffering? And yet I'm calling myself the son of a king, the daughter of a king. Because there is something that was stolen from you. That is why you are called. You are still the son of a king. But the process of sonship has been taken away from you. You have become a slave. Remember this young boy who came to his father and told his father, just allow me to become your servant. Allow me. I've come back, my father. Just allow me. I become a servant. I don't deserve to be your son. But when he spoke because of coming back to his father told him, your position is still there. You are still my son. You don't lose the sonship until you regain back the consciousness. Until you regain your position. That is when you will regain the promise of God in your life. Because God has promised you. And God said that he will never forsake you nor leave you. Meaning, if you don't forsake him, he will not forsake you. But if you forsake him, he will run away from you. Praise be the name of God.